Greetings. In this video, we are going to look at how you can embed and add an Instagram post into your article on WordPress. So to begin off, you'll have to go to Instagram and sign into your account. And after you identify the post that you want to add into your article, for example, this, you'll go besides on the post where you see these three dotted lines. You click there, and then you copy link here. So you click to copy link. Then you come back to your WordPress. You click on this plus sign to add a block, and then you search for Instagram. You click on Instagram there, and then you paste the link here and click on embed. Yes, so this is our post that we have got on Instagram. So that is the process of how you can add an Instagram post to your article on WordPress. Thank you.